Today we're going to be making high protein, savory, keto friendly muffins that are perfect for meal prep. This recipe is stemming from another recipe we tried a couple months ago, and we make these all the time. Those were our McGriddle breakfast muffins. Whenever we have them, our husbands absolutely demolish them. And we thought we could play on these flavors and do something else. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And what you're gonna be needing for this recipe is your favorite keto-friendly pancake mix. So we like the ones that have high protein, low net carbs, and make sure that it only needs water. So if you're adding a bunch of other stuff in there, we don't know how this is gonna work. So for the other video, we did like a sausage, egg, cheese, McGriddle muffin, and we topped it with maple syrup. But today we're gonna be trying something a little bit different, a little bit more gourmet. We're gonna be going with bacon, cheddar, and leeks, which are a good option if you're on keto because they have the taste of onion with a lot less carbs, but they aren't as common to use in the US. I don't know why. We've only used it one other time on this channel, 700 recipes, and we've only used leeks one other time. So today we're gonna be putting leeks in these. So I'm gonna start prepping our leeks, which does take a bit of time. But if you're looking for another meal prep hack, you should check out Hero, who is the sponsor of this video. So you guys already know that we have been talking about Hero bread for years because we genuinely love all of their products. From the low net carb croissants, to the Hawaiian rolls, to the tortillas, Sarah and I always have a stash in our freezer. That's because they freeze beautifully. And not only do they freeze beautifully, they taste amazing and they are perfect for our low net carb lifestyle. But right now we are obsessed with their bagels. As you can tell, we've eaten them already because Sarah had one today with salmon and capers, cream cheese and dill. And I just had mine with cream cheese and dill and capers. There's no fish for me. These have already become a fan favorite with so many amazing reviews, and they are available every day. They have the perfect chewy texture. They have the perfect chewy texture. They come in everything bagel and plain, and the plain ones come sliced. They have 17 to 19 grams of protein, 4 to 5 grams of net carbs, 0 grams of sugar, and have fewer calories than the best-selling National Bagel. So load up your cart and try Hero bread today. Hero is giving our audience 10% off of their purchase of $50 or more plus free shipping. Just click the link in our description and use code KETOTWINS at checkout. Or go to hero.co, not hero.com. Thanks so much to Hero for supporting our channel. Let's get started with the muffins.
You know how to work a camera, don't you?
No. By the way, people are always asking why don't you see Sarah in front of the camera? It's because she's holding the camera. The reason why is because my camera filming is so poor quality that Sarah banned me from filming.
You banned yourself.
Yes, and it's a lot of effort to film. I might not know what I'm doing cooking, but I know less about filming correctly. So leeks are cool, but they're dirty. If you want to use them, you have to clean them very well, okay? Because there's grit and sand in between the leaves. So most of this is actually underground. This is what would be sticking out of the top. So we're gonna start chopping up our leeks. We're gonna put the slices into a colander and we're gonna start cleaning them like this.
Okay. Wait, do we need a garbage bowl?
Yeah, I brought one. Garbage bowl, Rachel Ray. So
love her.
I saw a person on TikTok say if you cut it at an angle like this, you get a lot of the center. If you just chop it here, then you lose a lot. But even then I lost a lot, see? You want the tender leaves on the inside. You want to keep the roots on. I'm acting like I am learned on this. I am not. I learned 10 minutes ago. So here's how it looks. But if you start to peel back the layers here, you'll see grit. There's none there, but here, see? So all of this needs to be cleaned. So I am going to start chopping. We only need one leek because we're just making one batch.
I mean, just use the rest. You might as well.
Safety over...
Take your time, please.
Yes. Well, we're gonna put them in a colander. Okay. Maybe I'll grow leeks one day when I move out to my country house. Which does not exist because we cannot afford it.
One day.
One day. I feel like I'm on a homesteading channel. I don't know if I could be a homesteader.
Emily and Sarah off grid.
On grid. It's a family tradition to go fake camping. Well, we used to when we were young.
We would have a campsite.
And then pack it all up.
And then we would go sleep in a hotel at home at night. Sleep in a bed.
We're actually going to allow these to float in the water.
Smells oniony.
We're gonna let this sit for a couple of minutes. The grit should go to the bottom. And then we're going to drain this in a colander and then we're going to put them on some paper towels because we're gonna be sauteing these in a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper, that's it. All right, here's the dirty water. You see all that dirt. Grit, they call it grit. All right, we're just gonna let this kind of drain while we get our pan ready. A couple tablespoons of olive oil. Okay.
Opening it would help. Oh, there you go.
We're only going to be using half of the leeks. We're cooking the whole thing because why not? But only half of this in the recipe. If you have 2 leeks, if you cook them up, you could add them to soup. You could add them to omelets and stuff like that. So, you know, making prep easier is cooking things at one time. Right. Adding a touch of salt. That's it. So this would be a great time to get your bacon started. We're actually using pre-cooked bacon. I am not good at cooking bacon. I don't know what's wrong with me. I always overcook it until it's burnt to a crisp. So you can buy stuff like this to make your life easier, or you can cook it in the oven and save it for a meal prep. All right, so our leeks are ready. We've chopped up our bacon. When you're using pre-cooked bacon, Sarah likes to stick it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, 45 seconds. It makes it crispier and like warms everything up. And then we have 4 scrambled eggs, which just have a little bit of salt and pepper in them. And now we're gonna get started. So we're gonna pour our pancake mix into the bowl, and then we're gonna add about 1 3/4 cup of water. You should look to see, depending on which keto pancake mix you use, because it might be different. It seems kind of watery, but we're gonna reserve judgment.
Sometimes keto stuff takes time to thicken. It is thicker already.
All right, we're just gonna let this set up for a couple minutes. We cooked ours at 375.
Want to show the eggs? Or?
Oh, Sarah made the eggs, that's why they look so terrible.
Oh, please. Do you see what I go through, people?
Okay, we'll start off with our bacon. It's probably about a cup. I'm already excited.
2 leeks.
2 leeks equal 1 cup. In it goes.
Very leaky.
We're so gourmet. This is inspired by kind of a quiche.
Oh.
You know? Now we're gonna pour the eggs in. We're gonna fold this in, and then some salt.
I think mushrooms would have been nice in here.
Yeah. We're also gonna do thyme, because I feel like that is classy. And then we're gonna go with a cup of cheddar cheese. You can probably use whatever cheese you want. Gouda.
Gouda would be Gouda. What did I have? I had blue cheese recently and I like spit it out.
Gorgonzola, no.
Yeah, no. Too overpowering. It's looking really good. It's smelling good.
I forgot. I think we should go with garlic. Yeah, that's it. It's funny because sometimes I watch the videos, but we're like hunched over. We're 6 feet tall. And so sometimes I'm like
a witch over a cauldron or something.
Especially when I have like poor posture.
You do.
When you grow up and you're 12 years old and you're 6 feet tall and people are like, I can't see behind you. I just like in my desk, I just learned to be like that. And now I'm like that. We are using silicone muffin molds, but if you are not, make sure to spray your muffin liners because the first time we filmed this, the only time we filmed it, we lost about half of the mixture stuck onto the paper. So we decided to switch to these and they work so much better. But if you're gonna be using that, make sure to spray them. I'm gonna go with a scoop. Look at this, stunning. Oh.
You're very impressed with yourself.
Thank you. I came up with this recipe today.
If it didn't go out or turn out well, she's gonna say it was my recipe.
No, false. I'll go along and fill the rest
I don't know
of
if
these.
they overfill it. What if they like,
They're not-
they like implode?
Oh, implode.
They just like
They might explode, not implode. Into the oven for 30 more minutes. No light. Aziz. Light.
What's that from, people? Aziz Light.
If you know where that's from, you get extra cool points from me. So there's 9 minutes left. We want to check it. I'm always afraid. Ooh, look how beautiful they look. Beautiful. It smells like kind of like Thanksgiving. I think it's probably like the thyme inside there or something. But oh, they're so pretty. Oh my goodness. I want to take them out because it's gonna take forever for these to cool.
What are you doing?
It was stuck.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna let these cool down. We're going to grab some butter. We're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna try them. They smell like Thanksgiving.
It's not intentional,
No,
but
thyme,
never
I
a bad thing.
Please be good inside. Yummy. Give me my butter. I'm ready to go.
Calm down.
I'm hungry.
That's a lot of butter, Emily. Where's mine? Savory. A lot of bacon in there. Almost tastes like it has potato in there. Why is that? Not a bad thing.
Leek?
Maybe leek. It's kind of like an onion potato flavor. I think a little dash of maple syrup would have been okay.
What about
here.
honey? Honey?
Like keto honey? I don't know. I'm not a fan of really honey.
You want to get it and
No.
see?
Fine.
I just don't know if the sweet goes with this.
Well, we'll see. Mr. Baby's calling.
Oh.
Hi, Mr. Baby.
Hi.
Say hi, Mr. Baby. Yay! So we're using some Chalk Zero maple syrup.
Is that open?
Yeah. Enough or what?
Okay,
What
okay.
How
Oh,
much you
yeah,
want? You
yeah,
can tell
yeah,
me. A little dollop on there.
I stand corrected.
It gives it that like breakfasty vibe.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Give me that. Because a McGriddle is technically,
A pancake.
yeah. So you need that kind of, you know,
Mm-hmm.
flavor.
Wow. These are a 10 out of 10.
Hmm.
They are so good. We're going to be leaving all the information linked in the description. We're just going to put the recipe in the description.
Mm-hmm.
And the links to everything that we used. And remember, if you guys want to stock up on Hero bagels or any of their other delicious low net carb bread, use the link in our description and use code Keto Twins, and you're going to get 10% off of your orders of $50 or more, plus the free shipping.
Stock up.
And YouTube seems to think that you're going to like this video here, so why don't you click on it, and we will see you over there. Anyway, I'm Emily.
And I'm Sarah.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out.